Hi everybody, thought I would try some track cleaning with the FEF here in Greyhound livery, Union Pacific, cab number 836. Like I said, it's an FEF 484. And today we're just going to continue with some track cleaning. Full speed. Pulls that track cleaner like it was nothing. Broadway really did a good job with this engine. Let's slow it down over here. Let's try the shutdown sequence, F9. Now, one thing I noted about this particular engine, even if I shut off the track power, which I'm going to do now using the e-stop on my controller, you can still hear a little bit of noise because it has a capacitor. So even if you cut the power to the track, it will still run for a few seconds there like I just did. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.